Hey guys, it's Natalie. I'm back to show you guys an emerald smoky look, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so here I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge Moisturizer and the Marie Badescu Rose Water Spray. Then here I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer that I am putting all over my face and all the way down to my neck too. So here I'm also using the Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade as well as a NARS concealer, and I ripped my brows off camera and I'm just using that concealer as a base or a prep for the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia, and I'm using the Tempera shade in order to set in the concealer. Then I'm going to be using the Orange Soda shade in order to use it as a transition shade. And then I'm also going to be using the Rustic shade in order to make it a little bit more darker. And I'm going to be doing that in the corners of my eyes. I am then going to use the Cerberus Umber shade, which is a darker chocolate color. And I'm going to be using that also in the outer corners and just making it more darker and just more rich in the chocolate color. I'm now going to be using the James Charles palette in the shade Guac. I'm just going to be using my fingers to apply that. I am now using the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation in the shade Pure Beige. After blending out the foundation, I'm just going to use the NARS concealer once again just to conceal my under eyes, my nose, my upper lip, and my forehead. And then I'm also just going to blend it out and make sure that it just looks clean. Now after blending, I'm just going to use the Airspun Loose Powder to set my makeup, just to set in the concealer, and I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer to contour my cheekbones and my nose, also around my forehead and underneath my chin. Here I'm just going to use the powder again just to make the contour a little bit more crisp and sharp. I'm also going to be using this blush that I just found. It's a random blush, and I'm going to be using Oprah, the Becca Cosmetics highlighter in Oprah, and I'm just going to be putting that on top of my cheekbones and on my nose, and also on my upper lip and a little bit on my forehead. And here I'm just using a little brush just to place a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corner to just open up the eye. I'm here using the same dark shade, the dark chocolate shade, just to put it underneath my eyes, just to open up the eye more and make it more dramatic. And again, I'm just adding more highlighter into the inner corner. I'm here using the Urban Decay Pervision Mascara, and I'm just going to run that through both my top and bottom lashes. And here I'm going to be using the Natalie Jazmin lashes in the shade Anastasia, and I'm also using the Duo Waterproof Blue, and I'm also using the Kylie Jenner Exposed lip liner, and I'm using the May Orsa Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Tierra, and I'm just putting that all over my lips. And here's the finished look.